So we've been having some conversations about document cameras or visualizers, especially for people that need to present formulas, write them down during their teaching. And clearly a £200 visualizer is not going to be suitable for everyone, even if we can get them. What I managed to do this morning was just play about with some stuff I had around the house. My daughter got an animation studio camera. It's just a little simple HD webcam on a gooseneck, and I plugged that in, arranged some A4 paper and marked that out, and that worked out quite well. So I just arranged it on the desktop, and then in OBS Studio, the open broadcasting software, I turned the input round and made a small scene. I also added my picture-in-picture down the bottom left, for example. Then what I did was mark out the safe areas on the piece of paper, so I knew where I was writing, because obviously you could have the screen and be looking at it whilst you're typing. I marked out a safe area in the bottom in case you want to do subtitles or captions or links or something else in that image. As you can see, again, I'm marking off the safe corners, but once you've done this and you've established your setup, you could photocopy that and do several each time you want to do it. The second thing I tried was using an A3 whiteboard that we had kicking around. For this one I had to raise it up slightly to get the whole thing in view. Again, it's a very simple webcam. It may not be perfectly in focus, but there is a manual focus on this one. And again, if I was spending more time doing this, I would obviously make sure that was in focus. Again, you see the lighting is not perfect, and I would actually have put something to the top of where that whiteboard is, so that it would compensate for any shadows from my hand. I also didn't use a very fine whiteboard pen, which would make it look a bit easier, and again, my writing is terrible. You could also use an ordinary webcam and place that on like a Gorilla Pod, or if you've got a shelf in front of you, you could have a little clip and place the camera on that. So there may be more options if that's going to be useful for you.